compressor job. First thing, remember, take your ferion out, make sure it's empty. See, I already got my lines here, so you need to have one of those or to make sure that you don't have any ferion, because this is the low pressure, this is the high pressure. This tells you how much ferion you got in there, and also tells you if you got any leaks, because that thing will drop down. Also tells you once you vacuum all and you do that vacuum, it tells you everything. There's a lot of things that I have to talk about this, but it's easy. Nothing hard. So you can do this and you can understand it. So anyways, you don't need to use any of these lines here. Make sure they are closed position, all of them close. This is just air fitting right here. So okay, first thing, you need to know where is your high pressure and where is your low pressure, but don't worry about the high pressure, okay? But you need to know where it is. It's so important. Well, International LT 2018 with Cummins engine, if you got one of those, that's your low pressure, okay? Like you see, I don't have a nozzle, I don't have a head here, lead goes on top. So that's your low pressure, and your high pressure is always right here underneath your air intake. You see that right here? That is your high pressure. Let me tell you something, but I don't need it, but that's it. You see where's the line? Radiator, and that line coming out from there, that's your high pressure. The low pressure, it's a small, like thin. The high pressure is gonna be bigger, which is like a bigger head, you know. All right, if you got ferion in there, it will tell you right now, once you plug this in, make sure it's on a closed position, okay? It's like air position, okay? And make sure, if you got one of those, the blue line, it goes to the blue here, and the red line, it goes to the high pressure. It tells you open, it tells you close, open, close. They both going same direction for opening, same direction for close. Let's now open it. And now if you got any ferion in there, it will tell you how much you got in there. This is how much I got in there right now. You need to get that ferion out till you get it to zero, empty. All right, the way to dispense the ferion, make sure you dispense it in a can if you're doing it at home, or you take it to, like I said, dealer, and make sure, guys, wear safety glasses and don't let that gas, don't be around that gas because it's dangerous. Don't smell it or anything. If you know, some people just dispense it in the air, but that's illegal. I dispense it in a can. I get cans and I dispense it in there. So let's dispense it. So what you do, you open that. You see? You open that. But I gotta get the can and do it. So you open that. Once you open that, the gas start coming out. So dispense it first. All right, as you see, guys, I got it on zero. That means there is no gas left. You can go ahead and turn that off. Turn that off as well. Take the knob, the nose, the fitting out. Press it right there. And you are good here. Now let's take the air intake out. Get your 13 socket, background, wrench, whatever. Lose that. Just don't lose the bolts. Alright, we need the screwdriver. Screwdriver. Either that side or either this side. This side is easier. So easy, slowly, just around that. So when it's stopped, place that somewhere safe. Untie your zip ties. Pull it up and pull the sensor out. Open your lines, lose the high pressure and the low pressure. This is what I'm speaking about right now. This is only the bolts, of course. So get that bolt, put it somewhere safe. Gently pull these lines out. That's the high pressure. Get your ratchet, 50mm socket, your belt, alternator belt, air compressor belt. Let me show you the pulley. It's right by the air compressor, right below it, right there. You see it? You see that? This is the air compressor belt. From the air compressor belt, it goes in a pulley here. Put your ratchet on a lock position, like you tighten this bolt here. It takes 15mm. You lose the bolts. Got one more bolt. Once you lose the last bolt, air compressor will come out. That's how it looks. So you need the air compressor part number. If you need that, that's what's on International LT right there. Air compressor. This is my old air compressor. This is the new one, the replacement, I mean.